having a hard time calculating and organizing your data? Did you ever find yourself struggling to complete even simple tasks? Well, it's great news that Excel has this useful shortcut that is applicable to your situation, the Control-E. In this video, we will give you a step-by-step instruction on how to activate the Flash Fill feature using Control-E shortcut. This shortcut allows you to quickly and easily format, fill, or extract data based on a pattern that you specify. For example, you have this data that shows a list of names and their birth years. To organize the list, here are the steps that you need to follow. Insert two new columns adjacent to the column of your source data. In this case, we have to label the columns with name and birth year. In the first cell of the newly added columns, type the desired value. Let us refer to the source data and type Jane under the name column, and type 1998 under the birth year column. Select the next cell. Then click Control-E to activate Flash Fill and see the result. If Flash Fill does not activate using the shortcut, you can go to Data, then click on the Flash Fill to run it manually. That's it. Now, your data will be more organized and less messy. Quite easy to do, right? Using this shortcut will help you complete your tasks quickly.